Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our third class in matrix. In today's class, we are going to be venturing into the multiplication of matrix by another matrix. Please stay tuned to look at the best way and the best explanation on how to understand multiplication of matrix by matrix, be it 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 2 by 3, or 3 by 2 matrix. And just before we now venture properly, if you are just joining us for today, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't hesitate to click the notification bell for my subsequent content. So let's dive in. Example 1. Given that matrix A is given this way, that's what's the size of the matrix? This is 3 by 2 matrix. Matrix B, 2 by 3 matrix. Now, we now want to find AB, meaning A times B. But before we can do a multiplication matrix, it has a rule that guides it. If it conforms with that rule or with that simple rule, it means that multiplication is easy, it can be defined. What is that? A very simple rule that says the size of this matrix is 1, 2, 3. 3 by 1, 2. 3 by 2 matrix. Why this one is 1, 2. 2 by 1, 2, 3. 2 by 3 matrix. Then this left one will cancel this left one. If the number here can cancel each other, it means that this multiplication is defined. We can multiply it. Finally, our answer that we're going to get will be equal to 3 by 3 matrix. It means after multiplying A and B, we are going to get 3 by 3 matrix. So let's move on. Now we want to multiply. To multiply, row, we multiply column. Row, we multiply column. What do you mean by this? First row, we multiply first column. First row, we multiply first column. So if I multiply, it's going to be this first 3 times 4. 3 times 4 plus, what is this one? 2 times 5. 2 times 5. That is, these two elements in the row, we multiply the 2 elements in the column. We are done with that. Then these 2 elements in the row also, we multiply the 2 elements in the second column here. Meaning, first row, second column now. First row, second column. So, 3 times 3 plus 2 times 1. Are we there? Then, we now move on to the first row, third column. 3 times minus 2 plus 2 times 4. Are we together? Are we together? Now we are done with the first row. We have used the first row here to multiply first column, second column, and third column. Now we now move to the second row. So second row, first column, 4 times 4 plus 1 times 5. Then move to the second row as well, second column, 4 times 3 plus 1 times 1. Are you there? Then second row and third column, 4 times minus 2 plus 1 times 4. Now we now move to the last one, which is the third row. So third row, first column, 5 times 4 plus minus 1 times 5. Then third row, second column, 5 times 3 plus minus 1 times 1. Then third row, third column, 5 times minus 2 plus minus 1 times 4. Now, we now move on. 3 times 4, 12 plus 2 times 5, 10. 3 times 3, 9, plus 2 times 1, 2. 3 times minus 2, minus 6, plus 2 times 4, 8. 4 times 4, 16, plus 1 times 5, 5. 4 times 3, 12, plus 1 times 1, 1. 4 times minus 2, minus 8, plus 1 times 4, 4. 5 times 4, 20, minus 1 times 5, minus 5 times plus, minus 5. 5 times 3, 15. Minus 1 times 1, minus 1. 5 times minus 2, minus 10. Minus 1 times 4, minus 4. So we now have 12 plus 10, we have 22. 9 plus 2, we have 11. Minus 6 plus 8, we have 2. 16 plus 5, 21. 12 plus 1, 13. Minus 8 plus 4, minus 4. 20 minus 5, that is 15. 15 minus 1, 14. Minus 10 minus 4, minus 14. This is our final answer. When you look at this final answer, how many rows do we have here? And how many columns? Yes, you are right. We have 3 rows and what? 3 columns. And what do we arrive here? 3 by 3 matrix. So this also is 3 by 3 matrix. So this is how to undergo the multiplication of matrix by matrix. Example 2. Given that matrix A is this, and also the matrix B, evaluate A multiplied by B. Now, first of all, is this matrix defined or not? What is the size of this matrix A? We have 2 by 2, 2 by 2 matrix. Likewise, this one, 2 by 2 matrix. So this cancels this. Finally, we are going to have 2 by 2 matrix. Meaning that since this one can cancel this one, this matrix multiplication is defined. Now let us now multiply it. So we have first row, we multiply first column, 1 times 5 plus minus 2 minus 3 times minus 1, that is plus 3. Then first row we multiply second column, 1 times 1 plus minus 3 times 0. We are done with the first row. Then the second row, 4 times 5 plus 2 times minus 1. Then second row, first column, 4 times 1 plus 2 times 0. Then we have 1 times 5, I have 5 plus 3. 1 times 1, 1 plus as minus, minus 0. 4 times 5, 20 plus as minus, minus, then 2 times 1, 2. 4 times 1, I have 4 plus 2 times 0, 0. So finally, we can have 5 plus 3, 8. 1 minus 0, 1. 20 minus 2, 18. 4 plus 0, 4. So when you multiply this matrix A by B, we're going to have that. I believe you get right these calculations. Then we can now move on to other examples in order to buttress our understanding. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and click the notification bell for my subsequent content. And don't forget to share and like this lesson. So let's check this next example. Example 3. If A equals to this, what is A raised to power 3? Don't forget, A raised to power 3 means A times A times A. So meaning that we are going to multiply these 3 by 3 matrices in 3 times. But the first one is to multiply the 2 first. Any answer we get, we now need to multiply the last one. Now, this one is defined already because it's a single matrix. So if I want to multiply this 3 by 3 matrix, multiply by 3 by 3 matrix. So this cancels this. So it is defined. I'm going to get 3 by 3 in my final answer. But I want us to be very calm and move with me because this one is going to be a little bit enlarged than the previous one. So let's dive in. Now, let's multiply this. First row, we multiply first column. 2 times 2. I have 4 plus 1 times 1. 1 plus 2 times 2. 4. I'm done with first row, first column. Then first row, second column. 2 times 1. 2 plus 1 times 2. 2 plus 2 times minus 2. I'm going to have minus 2. Minus 4. 2 times minus 2. Minus 4. Then first row, third column. 2 times 2. 4. Plus 1 times minus 2. I'm going to have minus 2. 2 times minus 1. Minus 2. I'm done with my first row. Then I will not use my second row to do the same operation as well. Second row, first column. 1 times 2. 2. 2 times 1 plus 2. Minus 2 times 2 minus 4. The second row, second column. 1 times 1. 1. 2 times 2 plus 4. Minus 2 times minus 2 plus 4. Okay? Second row, third column. 1 times 2. 2. 2 times minus 2. Minus 4. Minus 2 times minus 1. That is plus 2. All together. Then, third rule, to multiply each of the column. 2 times 2. 4. Minus 2 times 1. Minus 2. Minus 1 times 2. Minus 2. Okay? Third row, second column. 2 times 1. 2. Minus 2 times 2. Minus 4. Minus 1 times minus 2. Plus 2. Third row, third column. 2 times 2. 4. Minus 2 times minus 2. Plus 4. Minus 1 times minus 1. Plus 1. The next step is to add them up. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, I have 9. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 2, we have 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Fine. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 minus 4, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 4 minus 2, I have 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 4, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 4 plus 4, I have 8. Plus 1, I have 9. So this is when I multiply A by A. Okay, when I now multiply A by the third A, the remaining A. So let's do that operation as well. Now, the last stage is to multiply this answer with the remaining A. So let's move on. First row, first column. 9 times 2, I have 18. Plus 0 times 1, 0. Plus 0 times 2, 0. I'm done with that. First row, second column. 9 times, first row, second column. 9 times 1, 9. Plus 0 times 2. I have 0. Plus 0 times minus 2, 0. First row, third column. 9 times 2, 18. Plus 0 times minus 2, 0. 0 times minus 1, 0. Okay, let's move on to the second row. Second row, first column. 0 times 2, 0. Plus 9 times 1, 9. Plus 0 times minus 0 times 2, 0. Okay, second rule, second column. 0 times 1, 0, plus 9 times 2, 18. 0 times minus 2, plus 0. Second rule, third column. 0 times 2, 0. 9 times minus 2, minus 18. 0 times minus 1, plus 0. Third rule, first column, second column, and third column. 0 times 2, 0, plus 0 times 1, 0, plus 9 times 2, 18. So, third rule, second column. 0 times 1, 0, 0 times 2, plus 0, 9 times minus 2, minus 18. Okay, third rule, third column. 0 times 2, 0, 0 times minus 2, plus 0, 9 times minus 1, minus 9. So we sum it up. When you sum this one up, we have 18. This one we have 9. This one we have 18. This 9. This 18. Minus 18. 18. Minus 18. And minus 9. So this is a raised to the power 3. Example 4. Given this following matrix, find the values of the constants k, m, and r. With the knowledge of the matrix multiplication that we have, we are going to multiply this matrix and then equate it with this. That is all. So let's proceed. So let us multiply our matrix. First rule, first column only. 2 times 1 plus 0 times m, 0, plus 1 times r. Then there's no more column again. There's no more column over there. Then move on to the second rule. Second, we also multiply that column. 5 times 1. 5 times 1 plus, okay, 5 times 1, let me do it directly. Okay. Then minus 3 times n. We have minus 3n. Minus 3n. 1 times r plus r. Then third row and first column. 0 times 1, 0. 4 times n plus 4n. 6 times r plus 6r. So, don't be I'm supposed to multiply this one direct. So finally I can have 2 times 1, 2. Isn't it? 2 plus 0, I have 2. Then plus my r. You know, 2 and r, you cannot add it together. So, because they are not the same. 2 does not have r. So, 2 times 1 is 2. That 2 plus 0, I have 2. Then plus my r. 5 times 1, I have 5. That is 5. Minus 3n plus r. Last one. 0 plus 4m plus 6r. This 0 doesn't mean anything. We have 4m plus 6r. So which means that the multiplication of this give me that. Then I will now equate it to the last one. Meaning 2 plus r, 5 minus 3m plus r, 4m plus 6r. That is the matrix I got. It should now equal to k, 2 and 26. Now this is a sign of equal to. It means 2 plus r is equals to k. Fine. 5 minus 3m plus r is equals to 2. 4m plus 6r is equals to 26. So what can I do? If I call this one equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. This equation 2 and 3, I have m and r, I can work both of them simultaneously. But before then, let me rearrange equation 2. Let me take this 5 here. I'm going to have minus 3m plus r equals to 2. When this one is coming, take to minus 5. Minus 3m plus r equals to minus 3. So this one now is my equation 2. Now let me now take equation 3 under it. 4m plus 6r equals to 26, equation 3. Fine. In my Salvador's equation, let me use my elimination method. I want to eliminate, which one should I eliminate? Let me eliminate m, so that I can calculate r. To eliminate n, the signs must be different. One must be negative, the other must be positive. As well, the number here must be the same. To make this number the same, let me multiply this equation by 4, equation by 3. If you multiply this equation by 4, this one will give me 12, this will give me what? 3. Okay, 4 times 3 minus 12m plus 4 times r, 4r equals to 4 times minus 3 minus 12. 3 times 4m, 12m plus 3 times 6, I have 18r. Now 3 times 26, I have 78. Now okay, minus 12 plus 12 cancelled, plus 4 plus 18, that is 22r. Now minus 12 plus 78, if you take away 12 from 78, we have 66. That is 66. Now to calculate my r, I have to divide both sides by 22. So in this case, 22r is equal to 66 divided by 22 divided by 22. This cancels this. R equals to, we have 3. When you press the calculator, you get 3. I've got my r. Then I can get my n by substituting into any of this equation. Substitute. Now I'm going to substitute for r in equation 2. My equation 2 here, let me write it. Minus 3m plus r is equals to minus 3. Anywhere I see r, I put 3. Then I have minus 3m plus 3 equals to minus 3. So take this one here. I have minus 3n equals to minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3n equals to minus 3 gives what? Minus 6. So divide both sides by minus 3. I have minus 3n over minus 3 equals to minus 6 over minus 3. Then 3 cancel 3. n equals to 3 here, 1, 3 here, 2. I have 2. I've gotten the value of r. I've gotten the value of n. I want to get the value of k. So you can get the value of k from this equation 1. You substitute the value of r into equation 1. So my equation 1 is 2 plus r equals to k. So 2 plus my r that we got is 3 equals to k. Therefore k equals to 5. Therefore the value of k equals to 5, m equals to 2, r equals to 3. So we are able to get the values of k, m, and r to be 5, 2, and 3. So this is the way to apply multiplication of matrices. If you want more explanation on this, let me know in the comment section. I remain your tutor, Latif Ismaila Akambi, your mathematics and chemistry tutor. Don't forget to share, like as we live. Thank you very much. I love you all.